Ganito palang pakiramdam ng pinakasal. 5! Oh my God! Di ba nakaka-inspire yung dalawa? 4! 3! Oh my God! Hindi sila nangangalay. 2! Oh my God! Nag-e-enjoy po sila. And 1! Palakpakan na naman. Congratulations, Jerry, Kiara, congratulations. Congratulations to the both of you. Okay, best wishes. Okay, pwede na po tayong maupo na nga kaibigan, no? Grabe yung energy. Alam